Morning everybody, Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Friday, July 29th. Overnight trade, we're a little bit on the defensive, led by the beans and the meal. It's also, as we said, July 29th being defensive not only in the overnight trade, but we are also the end of the week and end of the month, and it's been a defensive week and more so a defensive month. During the month of July, trade is more centered on the supply side of the fundamentals, and so far with the weather, the crop progress, and the crop ratings, it has led to limited buying interest and increased selling interest, and that's been the results of the net changes that we've seen so far. That will probably continue to the month of August, particularly for the soybeans, if we continue to stay on the same pace. We'll continue to monitor the weather, crop progress, and crop conditions, and at this time it looks to be the same as what we have been seeing during the month of July. So at this point in time, a non-bullish environment as far as the supply side goes. For the demand, that probably won't pick up and get trade interest probably for another month, month and a half. But we'll say we are doing good things as far as that goes. Our new crop sales are running well ahead of where the USDA is currently forecasting. The drop in prices that we've seen during the month of July has made us competitive against foreign suppliers. But once again, the trade won't be focused on that until perhaps, once again, another month, month and a half, particularly after we see how the August weather goes. Today was first notice day for the August contracts, beans, meal, and oil. They came out as expected. We're going to get a commitment of a trade report after the close here today. We still see the trade net short, the wheat, the corn, the soybean oil, but still net long the beans and meal, which will be important once again during that month of August. We'll also be coming up, when we turn the calendar, to an August USDA report on the 12th. Once again, the trade will be looking at the supply and demand numbers, and with this time, pretty much still looks to be a non-bullish environment unless weather changes. So once again, end of the month, hasn't been anything too good for prices, looks to stay that way at this point in time. Once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.